Yeah, my name is Leonard Buller. I'm an orthopedic surgeon focusing on hip and knee replacements here at the Indiana University Health Saxony Hospital in Fishers. Yeah, it's been really a wonderful experience. Her story, she was debilitated with her knee pain for a number of years and saw a bunch of different providers, and ultimately I was able to meet her, and she had failed all of the conservative options or the non-operative options, and we decided to proceed with surgery. And I think her recovery has just been so remarkable. She's just worked really hard, and together we've overcome this arthritis, and she's back to doing the things she really enjoys doing a lot faster than is usual with our modern techniques that we have here and the accelerated recovery. She was up and doing everything she wanted to do really quickly.
When I first went there, he introduced himself to me, Dr. Buller introduced himself to me, and it was just amazing because I just felt so comfortable and I felt like I was in safe hands as soon as I met him. He was very attentive to me, so I felt very comfortable with Dr. Buller. He's the first doctor that I have ever had, and I've had plenty of surgeries, that has truly kept up with me from day one. He will call me and make texts to make sure that I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, and I've never had that experience with no doctor before, and that was just amazing to me. My recovery has been awesome. There's not even no words for it. It's just been awesome. I couldn't walk at first. I was kind of like limping a whole lot, and I rocked a whole lot when I walked. Now I'm able to walk. I'm able to walk distance without stopping. I'm able to climb the stairs. I can honestly say the whole staff, Jennifer and Dr. Buller and Kimmy, all of them that had worked with me, it's been amazing, just amazing. They was very attentive to my needs. I believe that I would recommend anybody to Dr. Buller. And matter of fact, I did recommend my girlfriend. She had several knee surgeries and it didn't work out for her. So I recommended Dr. Buller. And she says the same thing. When she first met him, he was just so attentive to her needs. So I can say that he wasn't faking at it. It's just him. There's something about him that's just, he's a blessing, just a blessing.
That's the reason I went into this job, is to help people get better. And it is truly the most exciting thing in my entire life. And so when people do well, it's honestly just the most gratifying thing that can possibly happen to me. So I'm just thrilled to hear that.